The challenge was there. And this challenge almost constitutes a warning. It almost came to Solomon like a warning. Follow God. If you don't follow God, God is going to reject you. It almost came as a warning. Praise God. I think God has been merciful. I think now I can quite confidently say the God of Jason Fong has become the God of Sarah Fong. You know, I can quite confidently say the God of Jason Fong has become the God of Hannah Fong. And probably I would also challenge my daughter, make sure the God of Sarah Fong become the God of Andrew Chong. That's my grandson's name. Husband is Mr. Chong. And I think it is like that. The baton of faith passing from one generation to another generation is like that. And I'm also quite happy my elder son-in-law and my daughter, they are Presbyterians. My younger son-in-law and his wife, they are Methodists. Yeah. And I'm serving in the AOG church part-time now. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. But I'm proud and glad to say that by the grace of God, it is the grace of God that we do what we can to ensure. Once in a while, we challenge